Hello, everyone, and welcome to another exciting episode of Hello Word, where we explore the fascinating world of English words. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're diving into a short but powerful word, app. This A2 level noun is a handy term that refers to a software application. It's a word that's everywhere in today's tech-driven world, so let's break it down together. First, what exactly does app mean? Simply put, it's a shortened form of the word application, and it refers to software programs that you can use on your devices, like your phone, tablet, or computer. Think of apps like tools or helpers that perform specific tasks, from messaging to gaming to managing your calendar. There are many other words that can be used in place of app, depending on the context. Some synonyms include program, software, or even application itself. For example, you might say, I just downloaded a great program for editing photos, or this new software is amazing for organizing my tasks. On the other hand, antonyms would refer to things that are not software or digital tools. Words like manual tool, paperwork, or hardware can serve as opposites. For instance, instead of an app to track your to-do list, you might use paperwork like a physical planner or sticky notes. Now, how can we use app in everyday life? It's all around us. You might hear someone say, "What's your favorite app for learning new languages?" Or, "I found an amazing app for booking flights." Apps have become an essential part of how we live and work, whether we're streaming music, staying fit, or keeping in touch with friends and family. Let's look at some more examples of app in sentences. This fitness app helped me track my workouts and stay on track with my goals. If you need directions, just open the Maps app on your phone. There's an app for that. You've probably heard that last one a lot, haven't you? To sum it up, app is a versatile and widely used word that makes talking about technology easy and straightforward. It's short, memorable, and perfectly suited to our digital age. Before we wrap up, I want to thank you for listening to Hello Word. Your support keeps us going, so don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. It really helps more language learners like you discover the show. Here's a fun challenge for you. Create your own sentence using app and share it in the comments. I can't wait to see your creativity. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next episode. Happy learning!